on the pizza. This is my room. There's my closet. There's my reading books. There's that. There's me when I was little. There's my stuff. There's all my toys. There's me again when I was little. There's my little cousin. Here's all my stuff from school. There's that. Here's my bed. Here's the thing that hangs. My bed. All that. There's me. There's me again. And me. And me. How I'm grown up. I have my costume on. You all know that. Because I'm a witch. Right, guys? These are my clothes. I like to go through it with people that are watching this on YouTube. Here's my favorite book. A 6th grade notebook. Here. Chloe is not giving me a friendly welcome either. Here we are. Hello Kitty thing. My little pet. Here. I got a beautiful view. My computer, all my stuff that I have to do. Here's everything. And, well, that's pretty much it. Bye.